Hi,
Hello,
my name is Olivia.
my name is Kira, and we are your Karma experts. In this video, we will go over the section presets in Karma.
Let's go. Here we are in our Karma canvas. Let's go ahead and add a new section. Here we're already magically brought to our Karma presets. And on the left side, we have several different use cases or categories, such as steppers, cards, headers, etc. Let's go ahead and choose one of our presets. Here, our section is automatically added to our page. We can, of course, edit the section. Let's say, for example, I want to change this icon. I can change the color from perhaps purple to red. And there we go. It's very simple. If you are, of course, an Aura user, you can save this section for later use. All you have to do is go here to the top where the three dots are and click the heart icon. And there you go. Our preset has been saved.
So what you can do now is, now you're in your company presets. And again, this is for only Aura users. What you can do is you can categorize your presets that you've saved. Right now, all of the section presets that you've saved are right in your uncategorized category. So you can create different categories. Again, here, as an example, we have one category, but we can go ahead and we can add up to 10 different categories. Click on plus category here. We'll get a new name to a different category. We'll put in Karma. Let's do another one. We'll put in Aura. So you can see here, we have 3 of 10 different categories. So let's go ahead and say that we are in our uncategorized category and we want to categorize the preset that Olivia created. All you have to do is drag and drop this. You click on here in the top left, and I'm going to drag it into my Karma category. I can go ahead and click into Karma, and you can see here that it has been categorized in this category. What you can also do is, if you click the Karma category, you have these 3 different dots here on the side. Click them. You can rename your category. So for example, if I no longer want to have Karma, let's just say I want to put section. And it's been renamed. What you can also do is you can delete a category. But please note, if you're deleting a category, it is only the category that you're deleting. What happens is all the presets that are saved in this category will be placed back in your uncategorized category. Let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see here, we're back in our uncategorized category, and the preset that was previously in the category that we deleted is now back in here. So as you can see, it is easy and efficient to use. That's it for this video.
Hope you enjoyed and see you next time.